Why DIY PPC is costing you more than you think. Okay, let me be direct. If you're running your own Google ads, you're probably wasting money. I've seen it countless times. Smart business owners throwing good money after bad because they think managing their PPC is about setting a budget and picking some keywords. So here's the truth about PPC. It's a battlefield where your competitors are using precise weapons. Every wasted click is dollars down the drain. The Google Ads platform rewards expertise and punishes amateurs. Your do-it-yourself approach is likely costing you market share. Think about it. You wouldn't represent yourself in court, would you? You wouldn't do your own taxes if you were running a $5 million company. So why are you gambling with your marketing dollars? So let's break down what's really happening here. Number one, you're busy running your business. Number two, PPC requires daily optimization. Number three, your competitors are working with experts. And number four, Google's algorithm gets more complex every day. I've seen companies triple their conversion rates within 60 days of bringing in expertise. Not because we have some secret sauce, but because we're in the trenches every day, measuring, testing, optimizing. Here's what professional PPC management really delivers: precise targeting that hits your ideal customers, data-driven decisions that maximize ROI, competitive intelligence you can actually use, and systems that scale with your growth. Worried about costs? Well, let me be clear. If your PPC isn't making you money, you're either targeting the wrong audience or running the wrong campaigns, period. Think of it this way. You're not hiring an agency, you're investing in a system that turns advertising dollars into revenue. That's not an expense, that's a profit center. Want to know if you're leaving money on the table with your current PPC efforts? Let's talk.